Meizu 22 is officially launched in China as company's latest flagship. It features one of the slimmest display bezels on the smartphone. It has a 6.3 OLED LTPO screen with a 120Hz refresh rate, 1.5K and 6000 nits of peak brightness. It features 1.2 mm thin uniform bezels, ultrasonic display fingerprint scanner, and offers 96.4% percent screen to body ratio. It's powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 SoC paired with 16 GB from 1 TB of storage, coming with 4500 mm vapor chamber cooling. You get triple camera on the back, a 50 megapixel primary OV50H sensor that offers a OIS, a 50 megapixel ultra wide, a 50 megapixel periscope 3x camera. On the front, you get a 50 megapixel sensor. It has a 5510 milliampere battery that offers 80-watt wired and 66-watt wireless charging support. It has IP68 for dust and water resistance. It's 8.15 mm thin and weighs 190 grams. It runs Android 15 bits Flyme AIOS 2 out of the box with several AI features included. It can be purchased in borderless black, white, and love pink color. Prices start at $420 for the base 12 to 56 GB variant, going up to 16 GB 1 terabyte version for $590.